Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a meeting link in Microsoft Teams. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So the first thing, you want to log into your Microsoft Teams account. And once you are here, head over to Meet here. Now from Meet, you can see we have an option to create a meeting link. To start or create a meeting link, click on it. And here you can now give your meeting a name. So I'll give it a title, maybe marketing meeting. And by clicking on create and copy link, this will create and copy link for this marketing meeting. Now to share the link, just click on share link here and the link will be copied. From here, you can now go ahead and share this link with whoever you wish. So that's how you can create a meeting link in Microsoft Teams. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.